Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how a closed deal in Pipedrive automatically creates the organization and contact in Zendesk, so your support team is ready before the first ticket arrives. When sales hands off without syncing support, customers end up introducing themselves twice. That's a bad first impression after a signed deal. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
Hello, this is a demonstration of my Pipedrive to Zendesk automation that synchronizes deals that are completed or put in a specific status in Pipedrive, and then synchronizes both the company, organization in Zendesk, along with the contacts associated with that particular deal. Information, once it's put in a specific state in Pipedrive, also exists within Zendesk along with the contact information so that we can begin issuing and addressing trouble tickets using Zendesk as a ticket management system. The first step is it waits for a deal to go to a specific status, in this case, implementation complete. Once it does that, we capture the information for that particular deal, query it, and search to see if that same deal exists within Zendesk. By the deal, I mean the organization. If it does exist, we record what that organization ID is. And if it doesn't exist, we create that organization, again, recording what the organization ID is so that we can search whether or not the contact for that organization exists within Zendesk. If it does exist, we update some key information, maybe put a note in place that we received and synchronize the information. If it doesn't exist, we create that particular contact. In this case, it has 2 or 3 different contacts for the same organization. We generate and create those contacts within Zendesk. The use case of this is that we always keep Pipedrive after it reaches a certain deal flow scenario synchronized with an appropriate company in Zendesk along with its contacts. If this is useful for you, please reach out to me. I'll be glad to talk to you about it. Thank you.
So that's the Pipedrive to Zendesk sync in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit onealtx.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.